Hi, I'm Georgia from Getsitecontrol, and in this video, I'm going to show you everything you can do in your new Getsitecontrol account. Let's start our guided tour of the dashboard. In the dashboard, there are four main tabs: Widgets, Contacts, Broadcasts, and Automations. From the Widgets section, you can create new widgets and manage the widgets you have already created. First, you choose a template and customize the content and design however you want. You can see an example on the screen right now. You can create email sign-up forms, promo banners, exit intent coupons, surveys, and more. Then you set where the widget is going to appear on your website, for whom, and when. You can also connect the widget to a third-party service to automatically send all collected data to that service, and you can assign conditional tags to the contacts. You can see how your widgets are performing from the statistics section, and you can run A/B tests to improve your results. In the contacts section, you can find all the contacts collected by your widgets and the contacts you have imported from other platforms. You can filter, edit, tag, or delete the contacts. You can also create audience segments and manage your tags. In the Broadcast tab, you can create and send out email campaigns for your subscribers. You can customize one of the existing templates, create your own from scratch, or import an HTML template you have already designed. And once the email is ready, you can send it out immediately, schedule it for a specific time, or use the smart sending option to deliver it when your contacts are most likely to engage. Finally, automations. These are automated workflows you can use to assign tags and send emails to your contacts under trigger conditions. For example, automations can be triggered when a contact joins your list or clicks on a link in one of your emails. You can create a welcome automation for new subscribers or a tailored automation for those who have shown interest in a certain topic or product. Or again, a re-engagement automation for the subscribers who went dormant. You can also target contacts who performed a specific action on your website. For example, bought a product or clicked on a button. Last but not least, in the Dashboard tab, you'll find an overview of the activity in your account. The total emails you sent, your sending reputation, the contacts you collected, your widget views, email deliverability, and so on. And that's it. That concludes our guided tour of the Getsitecontrol dashboard. Now go explore it on your own.